Are you tired of struggling in the kitchen? Well, we have the solution for you. Introducing the top 5 essential kitchen gadgets you didn't know you needed. These gadgets will revolutionize the way you cook and make your life easier. Number 1 on our list is the garlic press. No more struggling with mincing garlic by hand. This gadget easily crushes garlic cloves in seconds. Next up, we have the avocado slicer. Say goodbye to messy avocado hands. This gadget splits, pits, and slices avocados effortlessly. Moving on to number 4, the citrus zester and grater. No more struggling to zest or grate citrus fruits. This gadget makes the task a breeze. Next, we have the spiralizer. Say goodbye to boring vegetable dishes. This gadget turns vegetables into noodles, adding a fun twist to your meals. Lastly, we have the digital kitchen scale. Say goodbye to inaccurate measurements. This scale ensures precision in your cooking. These kitchen gadgets may seem small, but they can make a big difference. Invest in them today and take your cooking skills to the next level.